Lady Locks here with another Locksport public service announcement. Oh, this really keeps happening. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to pick different pin types with this 3D printed cross-section of a lock. Let's get right to it. Let's take a look at a spool pin. A spool pin may give you some different types of feedback. Sometimes it's going to feel just like you're picking a standard pin, but a lot of times you're actually going to feel counter rotation. Counter rotation is what happens when the middle of your spool pin is resting at the shear line. So you're going to have to make sure that your tension is just right, because if it's too light, you're just going to feel a springy pin. If it's too heavy, you're not going to be able to move the pin. So you want to get it to where you can still move the pin and you feel some counter rotation when you press up on it. Now, when you feel that counter rotation, that indicates that you're on the middle of the spool pin and you need to get the bottom of the spool pin up above the shear line. So you're just going to gently push on that pin. You're going to feel some counter rotation, but you're going to keep pushing through and it'll click up over the shear line and rest on that shelf. Now, again, you're going to go through your lock and feel for any other indicators of counter rotation or anything that feels binding, and you're going to continue to do that throughout that lock until all those pins are up at the shear line, resting on that shelf, and then your core is going to turn and your lock will open. I hope this clears up a little bit about spool pins for you. This has been a Locksport public service announcement. You may now return to your regularly scheduled programming. Lady Locks out.